Hey there, HomeSpot family. Welcome back to the channel where we turn ordinary spaces into extraordinary retreats. If you've been dreaming of transforming your backyard into a cozy, stylish haven without breaking the bank, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into Backyard Makeover, budget-friendly upgrades for 2025. Whether you have a tiny patio or a compact yard, these creative and affordable ideas will inspire you to make the most of your outdoor space. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started on creating your dream backyard. Before diving into any backyard project, it's crucial to determine its primary function. Will it be a serene retreat or a lively entertainment hub? By clarifying your goals, you'll avoid unnecessary expenses and ensure every upgrade aligns with your vision. This thoughtful approach sets the foundation for a cohesive small backyard makeover. Once you've defined your purpose, organize the space into distinct zones. Use chalk lines or stakes to map out areas for dining, lounging, or gardening. A well-planned layout ensures efficient use of limited space, making your small backyard makeover both practical and visually appealing. This step bridges your ideas with actionable design. Pathways not only guide movement, but also enhance aesthetics. For a small backyard makeover, consider affordable materials like gravel or repurposed bricks. These options are easy to install and add texture to your outdoor space. With pathways in place, your backyard will feel more structured and inviting, setting the stage for further enhancements. A fire pit serves as a focal point for gatherings and adds warmth to chilly evenings. Opt for budget-friendly materials like stacked stones or pre-made kits. In a small backyard makeover, this feature creates an intimate atmosphere while encouraging outdoor living. It's the perfect transition from functional design to cozy ambience. Reviving old furniture is a sustainable way to refresh your backyard. Sand down surfaces, repaint frames, or replace worn-out cushions. Thrift stores are treasure troves for affordable finds that just need a little creativity. This step ensures your small backyard makeover stays eco-conscious while adding unique character to your space. String lights transform any backyard into a magical haven. Drape them across pergolas, fences, or trees to create soft, warm lighting. In a small backyard makeover, these lights make the space feel larger and more inviting. They seamlessly blend functionality with charm, paving the way for evening enjoyment. For compact spaces, vertical gardens maximize greenery without taking up valuable ground area. Use recycled pallets or hanging planters to grow herbs, flowers, or succulents. This addition brings life and color to your small backyard makeover, turning blank walls into lush displays. It's an innovative way to embrace nature within limited boundaries. Old tires can become quirky yet stylish planters when painted in vibrant colors. Fill them with soil and plants to inject personality into your backyard. This creative reuse aligns perfectly with a small backyard makeover, proving that sustainability and aesthetics can go hand in hand. It's a fun twist on traditional gardening. Shade structures like pergolas or sailcloth canopies provide relief from harsh sunlight. Construct one using affordable materials to suit your style. In a small backyard makeover, these features offer both comfort and visual appeal. They naturally lead to thoughts of relaxation and leisure, enhancing the overall experience. Water features bring tranquility and elegance to any backyard. Bird baths, fountains, or small ponds are cost-effective options that fit snugly into a small backyard makeover. The gentle sound of flowing water adds serenity, creating a calming environment. This element ties together the natural and man-made aspects of your design. Mulching flower beds and walkways keeps weeds at bay and retains soil moisture. Its affordability makes it ideal for a small backyard makeover. Clean borders give the space a polished look, reinforcing the importance of attention to detail. This simple step enhances curb appeal effortlessly. Paint breathes new life into worn-out surfaces. Refresh fences, benches, or pots with weather-resistant colors to match your theme. In a small backyard makeover, painted accents unify the design while adding vibrancy. This transformation demonstrates how minor updates can yield significant results. An outdoor rug anchors seating areas and adds warmth underfoot. Create one using stencils and durable fabric paint for a personalized touch. Alternatively, choose affordable store-bought rugs. In a small backyard makeover, this detail ties the seating arrangement together, fostering a welcoming vibe. Edible gardens combine beauty and utility. Raised beds or containers filled with vegetables, herbs, or fruits save space while providing fresh produce. This addition enriches a small backyard makeover by promoting self-sufficiency. Growing your own food connects you to nature in meaningful ways. Hammocks offer ultimate relaxation. Set one up between trees or posts, or build a freestanding frame if needed. In a small backyard makeover, this feature invites moments of peace amidst greenery. It transitions the focus from active zones to quiet retreats. Solar-powered lights are energy-efficient and versatile. Line pathways, illuminate seating areas, or highlight garden corners. Their affordability makes them perfect for a small backyard makeover. These lights ensure safety and visibility without compromising eco-friendliness, blending form and function seamlessly. An outdoor bar elevates hosting capabilities. Build one using reclaimed wood or crates for a rustic touch. Stock it with essentials for impromptu gatherings. In a small backyard makeover, this addition sparks joy and encourages socializing, bridging utility with entertainment. Natural decor like driftwood, rocks, or bamboo screens enhances organic vibes. These elements complement plants and soften hard surfaces. In a small backyard makeover, they reinforce the connection to nature. This step wraps up the aesthetic layer of your design thoughtfully. An outdoor cinema setup turns your backyard into a private theater. Use a projector, white sheet, and cozy seating for movie nights under the stars. In a small backyard makeover, this idea fosters creativity and fun. It's a memorable way to enjoy your transformed space. Regular cleaning keeps your backyard looking pristine. Pressure wash patios, wipe down furniture, and tidy up planters. In a small backyard makeover, maintenance ensures longevity and prevents clutter. By staying consistent, you preserve the beauty and functionality of your upgraded oasis. And that wraps up our budget-friendly backyard makeover ideas for 2025. From defining your space with functional layouts to adding cozy touches like string lights and vertical gardens, these upgrades prove that big transformations don't require big budgets. Remember, the key is to plan thoughtfully, repurpose creatively, and maintain consistently. Which idea are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, subscribe to the channel for more home inspiration, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy makeover!